Hey guys, how are you doing? It is the Naughty Investor here coming at you from Hollywood, California with another video. In today's video, talking about something that is, in my opinion, somewhat bullish news, and that is in regards to whales, millionaires, buying cryptocurrency social media accounts. And that is, in this specific instance, Twitter, but this goes for YouTube, this goes for Facebook, Steemit, all sorts of social media platforms. There are millionaires out there, and they're buying these accounts. Why? The interesting thing about this is they're buying them in the bear market. And what this means is they're buying them on a discount. Because in the bear market, these accounts are worth less. To give you an example, I got an offer in the bull market for my YouTube channel. Someone wanted to buy it for $20,000. I turned it down. Why? Because I don't think that's right of me to do. I don't think it's right to sell it. And, just from an ethical standpoint, also financially, it wouldn't make much sense because at that time, that's about what it was making annually. So why would I sell it for that? It didn't make much sense. So I declined the offer. But think about it. For just an account of my size, and I'm a decent sized channel, over 7,000 subscribers, pretty big. But imagine what they'd offer for something with like 50,000 subscribers, right? And this isn't as popular with YouTube as it is with Twitter. Twitter, it's really popular. You see accounts with like 10,000 followers, which isn't, by Twitter is not that much because Twitter is a lot easier to gain followers, going for a lot of money. Now, a whale offered millions of dollars for a crypto Twitter account recently, and the owner said, I'll do it, and it was paid in Bitcoin, and he sold it, and that person, why are they buying this? Well, the reason is quite simple. They're buying these in the bear market, so in the next bull market, these accounts are going to be worth 10 times that. And the reason is this. For one, I'm sure there are people trying to manipulate markets with it. That is definitely something they do. But the main reason is they could use it for working with ICOs, for working with crypto companies, exchanges, all those things. You're an influencer at that point. You're an influencer. And so an exchange or an ICO might come to you as, let's say you're a crypto account with 100,000 followers. Hey, man, put out a tweet for us once a day about our exchange, and we'll give you, $500 down plus 10% of every referral you get a referral link, something like along those lines. And so they're loading up in the bear market, these millionaires, these investors, that's all this is an investment. And believe it or not, if you recall my interview with 1 Minute Economics, which I'll link down below, check it out if you haven't checked it out. Very important interview. We talked a little bit about people buying and selling social media accounts because micro-influencing, internet celebrities, people on the internet who have, a couple thousand to tens of thousands to hundreds to potentially millions of people following them, they are the new actors. They are the new Hollywood because there's actually a report out that I was reading recently for myself because I'm involved in business about companies. They're going to be increasing their budgets for micro-influencers by up to 30% over the next few years, putting more marketing to that. That means companies, hey, you have an Instagram account with 20,000 followers, put out a post on us and we'll give you a couple $100. Something along those lines, and different niches pay different things. Cryptocurrency, when it's hot in bull markets, in bull runs, which they come in cycles, they do. And believe it or not, these cycles could last years. Some of them are year-long cycles. Some are only month-long, but nonetheless, these cycles happen, and during the bull runs, you can make a lot of money. I remember on my channel during the bull market, it was just a lot of money coming in. In the bear market, not nearly as much. It's still a consistent flow, but not nearly as much. So what these companies are doing is they're buying at a discount. They're buying in the recession. These investors are being smart about things because of the fact that... I'm going to play you guys a tune, by the way. No, I'm just kidding. Because of the fact that they're buying at a discount and because of the fact that they're going to be increasing in value. It's no different than buying real estate during a housing crash, right? Housing crashes down 40%. You get in there and buy that real estate because you're buying the bottom. Cryptocurrency, when these accounts are valued at lesser amounts during a bear market, hey, we're going to go and buy at a discount. And then when the bull market happens, these are worth much more, these accounts, because there's more money coming into the market. And the same token, you could argue that the person selling the account is making out, could be making out differently because they're getting paid a lot in crypto, and if they hold it in the next bull run, they'll make even more. But reality is, a lot of people are going to probably at least sell half of what they make for the account. You know, if they sell the account for $1 million, they're probably going to sell at least half of that crypto into US dollar. Unfortunately, people like to play it safe. But at least, you know, they're keeping half in, you know, presumably. That's what I've heard from people in this situation, people who I have talked to in the industry. That's really all I wanted to talk about in this video, guys. I think this is bullish news because it just shows the interest in cryptocurrency, and it shows that a lot of people are anticipating a bull run over the next few months. So keep that in mind, hodl on, trade on, have your long-term investment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it. I'm sweating right now. As you can see, I'm running out of, my mouth is getting dry from talking too much, so if I keep, you know, puckering my lips, that's why. Expect a regular video schedule within the next 2 to 3 days. I'm getting my internet set up here. I'm getting a desk set up. I'm getting a lot of things set up here. Have a great day.